Hello guys, in today's video I'll teach you how to make 50,000 and more on Opay app. All you have to do is just to refer a friend. You can refer a friend to anywhere, from anywhere to anywhere. Now you need to look for the refer a friend option. No, refer a friend. Now click on it. You'll be redirected to a page where you see a link to share. 550 naira per one person you invite. Imagine you invite up to 100 people. That's big money. Now you have take a look at people invited two and got invited five and got 2,006 to get to 4, 3,600, 4,800, 2,800. Now you have to share this link to anywhere, either your Facebook, anywhere. I can just can choose WhatsApp. I choose my WhatsApp. Let's share it to this either one if you have account on. Share to group, any group you like. Now I'll show you some illustration. Keep still loading. Now think you have, there are a lot of people in the group. Each group, people click your link. Once people click your link and register, you get 550 naira per register per one person. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.